thought we had a malfunction there.
Is that really boiling?
Yes, it's boiling like crazy. And now we're gonna pour the 3 vanilla.
Remember, it's hot.
3 tablespoons. 1.
Gosh, we just poured over the top.
2. That was spilled. 3. And then we're gonna, sorry. Then we're gonna put the bananas in.
Is that all that goes in?
Yeah. Ew.
Let it slide in.
Guys, this looks so gross. I'm just kidding, it looks good. And now we're gonna leave it there for
20 minutes.
And then after that, we're gonna bake the take all of it out, and it will be probably all combined, and put it on a tray with tin foil so it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna put it in the oven at 275 degrees and cook for 10 minutes. So, yes.